Alright guys, I'm not done yet because I want to show you how to optimize the title and meta description tag for the homepage. So for this one, you just head into the admin panel, and at the bottom of the main admin menu, click on settings right here. Just click on settings and you'll see the general store settings here, and you see something pretty familiar. I mean, this is just the um, general settings that you just have to insert all the details of your store here, but just click on online store right here and you see that we have some familiar fields here like I showed you in the previous videos. So what you want to do here is pretty simple. Just use the same principles that I've already explained to you. You just want to set your homepage title and your homepage meta description. Now your homepage SEO information is a bit different because you're describing your whole store here, not just the page. So write with just that in mind. And like I told you, it was easy because this is actually really easy. There's nothing complicated here. Like the homepage title, just insert, like I told you, it's the title. The meta title is what potential visitors see in their search results on search engines. So this is just a title that I created for you to show you. It's very simple: classic like diamonds, magnetic earrings makes you classy and sexy, something like that. You can of course change it as you want, as you prefer. A tip that I can give you is to use a keyword that you want to rank for the most at the beginning of the title tag. So you might experiment. There are many different ways you can do that. Like, for example, just an advice: don't spam keywords, and remember, anything between like over 60, 70 characters with spaces will be just, cut when users see it in the search engine. So a good example of a title could be, for example, a keyword 1. I'm going to tap it here to show you keyword. No, I can't. But anyway, keyword 1, then the brand name of your store. So just keep that in mind. Keyword 1, it can be like, any keyword. I'm just making an example for you. And in for example, let's say you have a jewelry store. It could be something like, sexy ladies bracelets, ladies jewelry with the brand name of your store. Like, it might be like sexy ladies bracelets, ladies jewelry, and the name of your company, something like that. And in the meta description, of course, it's also seen in the search engine results under the meta title. So think of something. I mean, you only need to type like 160 words to capture people's attention who are searching for your keywords to click through your website instead of the ones of your competitors. And it's lastly, I have to say that it's quite surprising to me that there are so many individuals and organizations that they just don't write meta descriptions for most, if not all, the web pages on their websites. So take advantage of that. And if I can give you some quick SEO tips, just use a keyword in your meta title somewhere in the meta description too. Keep it under 160 words, like I told you here. That's the maximum. And if you can even provide a call to action at the end. Just make sure every page on your website has a unique meta description that is optimized, and you will be sure to see an incredible increase in quality traffic.